Here is BK42 and welcome back to another e-bike review. Today I want to show you the DYU D3F, which is an affordable 14-inch electric bike. DYU sent this to me to review for you, and I assure you that I did ride it around for a few weeks and I do have some honest feedback. The D3F is simple to operate, there is no shifters, cassettes or derailleurs, and it's a single-speed bike. The simplicity is great, but I would love to have more gears that would improve the ride experience and the range. This mini bike weighs only 17 kilograms and the portability is another great plus for DYU. The handlebars and the pedals are foldable and the saddle can be removed to make the bike even smaller. This bike can be stored almost anywhere. A small cut-out section in the battery housing allows you to grip the frame like a handle. This is great to move the bike up and down. I really like it. The DYU D3F is suitable for riders from 150 to 186 centimeters, with a maximum payload of 120 kilograms. Even being such a small bike, I can sit comfortably on it. There are plenty of space between my knees and the handlebars. Let's run down the operation buttons. The left hand grip has the power on and off button and a sweet little bell. The right hand grip is where the battery indicator, the cruise control and the headlight on and off button are located. The full-size twist grip throttle is also there. Just like in a motorcycle, the cruise control is a blast. It can be started at any speed with a single button press. Use the brake levers to deactivate the cruise control. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn on the headlights. Of course, keep it pressed to turn the lights off. Remind that the headlights mounted to the frame and not to the fork, so the headlight does not turn to match the steering direction. There is a little tail light, battery operated. I got the tail light needing a new battery on my bike. No big deal, but it could also be integrated in the main battery. The DYU D3F comes in 14-inch tires, 250-watt hub motor, 36 volts, 10 Ah battery, and it is just a bit bigger than an electric scooter. Setting up this bike is very easy, as you can see in this video right here, and the battery arrives almost fully charged. Speaking of the batteries, it takes about 5 to 6 hours to fully charge the battery. The battery is not removable and must be charged using the small charging port here. The range is about 37 kilometers in pedal assist mode. Not bad for such a small battery. The maximum speed is 21 kilometers per hour,